Hey everyone, before we start today's lesson, I want to remind you that you can share your artwork into the Sketch Club on School for a chance to be featured in our upcoming Artist Spotlight. You can start your free 7-day trial by clicking the link in the description below. And now let's get on with today's lesson. What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today we're drawing Kylian Mbappe from the World Cup 2026. Let's begin today's lesson. In the center of the page, we're going to draw two circles for the eyes. Let's start with the one on the left. We're going to start from the very top, come all the way around towards the bottom of the eye, and then back up towards the top. Now we want to leave a gap in between the eyes and draw that same size circle on the right. So start by lining up the top. And we want to bring that down towards the same height that we have on the left, and then back up. Let's add a smaller circle in the center of each eye for the pupils. And we'll fill the center of the pupils in black. Let's move in between the eyes and draw the bottom edge of the nose. Starting on the left, we're going to curve this down, across, and then up. Now let's move up and draw a short curve, going up and then down across the bridge of the nose. Now I want to step down and give him a smile, starting on the left, then it's down, and then up, and then add a bracket on the ends. Let's go back to the center, step down and add a curve for the lower lip. Now I'm going to go all the way back up to the top and draw in the eyebrows. Starting on top of the left eye, I'm going to go up and then bend that down. Same thing on the right side. Now I want to add some thickness to the eyebrows. Starting from the end, go higher in the middle, and then taper this down towards a point along the inside. Let's fill the inside of the eyebrows in black. Now that we complete the face, let's move out to the side and draw the lower half of the head. From the outside of the left eye, let's step over. I'm just going to curve this down and in underneath the mouth, going across the middle, and then bend that up towards the right, towards the same height. Now from here, we're going to draw the inside edge of the hairline. Starting back on the left, going up, and then in around the eyebrows. Let's add another curve. On the left, then it's out, and then in. And then we'll close out the top with a curve, going up in the middle, and then bend that down. Let's go back to the side of the head and add the ears. On the left side, we go up, round up the ear, and then bend that back in. Let's line this up on the right. We're going to go up, around, and then in. We're going to add a fold across the top of the ears, just tracing that curve, going up and out. Go back to the inside, and then add a hook. Now from the ears, we're going to work our way around the side of the head. Let's start on the left, bend this out, and just pull that in to right about there on both sides. Now we're going to add some texture for the hair going across the top. Starting on the left, bend this around and in with this little curve. Now we're going to continue to add these going all the way up in towards the middle, go across and then down towards the right side. Now with the head complete, we're going to move down and draw on the side of the body. Let's start over on the left. Bend the body going out and then down toward the hip. Go over towards the right. Do the same thing. And we'll connect the hips with a curve, coming down the middle and then back up. We're going to go back up to the top and add that V-neck collar. Starting on the left side, bend this down and in towards the center point. Go up towards the right. Now we're going to continue to add that same curve just up above. Do that once. And we'll do that one more time. Let's go to the center of the body and add the number 10. We're going to start over on the left side, straight down, flatten off the top and bottom, close off the inside. Just leave a gap and draw an oval on the right. And we'll trace that oval along the inside. Let's go to the center of the body, step down and add a curve from left to right, going up and down. Leave a small gap in the center, go to the left side. We bend the leg going out and down towards the left heel, move over towards the right, go out and then down towards the right heel. Now I want to curve the bottom of the feet, starting with the left side, coming down and then up. Now we're going to go back to the left side and draw the top of the foot. We're going to go up, come in, bend that down, aiming towards the heel, and then we're just going to curl that back up towards the inside of the leg. And do that on both sides. Go back up to the hips, we're going to bend the leg going out and then down on top of the feet. Let's add a thick sole across the bottom. We're going to take this curve, step up, and trace that across on both sides. And then we want to add some more detail to the feet. Let's start from the outside. We're going to add a toe cap coming in and pull that down halfway along the sole. Halfway along the toe cap, we're going to bend this up and then in towards the top of the foot. Let's separate the laces inside this area with two curves. Now just up above the foot, we're going to add a curve for the edge of the socks. Let's move up, leave a gap, draw another curve for the edge of the shorts. Now I'm going to add two more curves just up above, just creating two thin strips going in. And we're going to go back up to the top and draw on the arms. Let's start halfway between the chin and the hip. So we're going to start the arm right here, then it's out and then down on both sides. From the wrist, draw a half circle for the thumb, and then close off the ends with a bracket. Now you want to add 3 fingers on either side. Starting from the bottom of the thumb, we're going to come down and up around that bracket. Step down, bend the second finger, and then the third finger. We're going to go all the way around the arm, pull this up, and then bend that in underneath the head. Let's do the exact same thing on the right side. Let's go back to the thumbs. We're going to curve the sleeve, going up and then out on both sides. Now over on the left sleeve, we're going to add a patch with a rectangle coming in, up, and then out. Now over on the right arm, along the top, we're going to add that band with 2 curves. And I'll finish off by adding that Nike symbol on the top left side of the chest and the bottom right side of the shorts. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's our job, Kylian Mbappe for the World Cup 2026. And once you're done, I want you to share your artwork into the Sketch Club on School, and you can do that by clicking the link down in the description below to start your 7-day free trial. And don't forget, by joining today, you get access to all our courses and workshops and all our membership features. I want to thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next one.